is what I was talking about. Manan Punyajit here trying to go on the mount. He's got the triangle. Oh, he's got the armbar. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's move on to the next bout, which is a featherweight bout between Punyajit Likharu in the blue corner taking on Anthony Siam, Outlaw Boy, the Shillong gangster. We saw him in action at Matrix Fight Night 5.
Ladies and gentlemen, make noise for the pride of Assam, Punyajit Likharu.
Jaya Ahom, the pride of Assam, walks in. We've got Punyajit Likharu, Jiu-Jitsu blue belt, who's trained at Bali MMA, making his way to the cage.
काफी स्टाइलिश एंट्री है इनकी राहुल. गले में अपना ट्रेडिशनल वेयर पहन रखा है और कीज टू विक्ट्री अगर हम देखें, टेक्निकली बहुत शार्प हैं ये, बहुत टेक्निकल फाइटर हैं, लेग लॉक्स अच्छे लगाते हैं एंड इनको ऑल राउंड फाइटिंग करनी बहुत अच्छे से आती है. कभी स्ट्राइकिंग करते हैं, कभी ग्रैपलिंग करते हैं. एक ही मिनट में, एक ही सेकंड में लेवल को चेंज कर सकते हैं.
Manan, we saw him fighting at MFN before. That was the most technical fight at MFN that ever happened. Representing Cross Train Fight Club. Punyajit Likharu is back in the cage once again.
सही बात है राहुल, ये फाइट डेफिनेटली काफी इंटरेस्टिंग होगी. इट विल बी अ फाइट बिटवीन अ टेक्निकल फाइटर एंड अ वेरी वाइल्ड फाइटर.
Well, of course, I agree. His opponent is a wild guy. Alright, so Punyajit Likharu, representing Assam, makes his way to the cage now.
पुनियाजीत पूरी तरह इन द जोन लग रहे हैं.
His opponent, the Outlaw Boy, Anthony Siam.
और अब आ रहे हैं इस फाइट के गैंगस्टर एंथनी सियाम. जरा इनका आउटफिट देखिए, गले में माला देखिए, सर पे टोपी देखिए. एंथनी इज द शिलोंग गैंगस्टर.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Shillong gangster, the Outlaw Boy is back at MFN. We saw him in action at MFN 5. He charges inside, makes it dirty. He's got a strong mount followed by ground and pound. And he's got to stay patient in this game because he's facing a technically charged opponent here.
सही बात है राहुल, एंथनी को अपने गुस्से के साथ, अपने अग्रेशन के साथ दिमाग भी लगाना होगा. मैं हमेशा लोगों को मार्शल आर्ट्स में बोलता हूं कि यस, अग्रेशन इज इंपॉर्टेंट, अग्रेशन इज नीडेड, अग्रेशन इज द फर्स्ट थिंग. येट उसके ऊपर अगर आपको वो अग्रेशन चैनलाइज करना नहीं आता, अगर उसको डायरेक्शन देना नहीं आता, तो आप हार जाओगे. अगर एंथनी को पुन्याजीत को हराना है, क्योंकि पुन्याजीत बहुत टेक्निकल फाइटर हैं, एंथनी को अपने अग्रेशन को चैनलाइज करना होगा और इंटेलिजेंटली यूज करना होगा.
Exactly. He's got to change his plan this time because he's facing a really technical fighter tonight. Anthony Siam, the Outlaw Boy, Shillong gangster, makes his way to the cage.
Ladies and gentlemen, presenting a mixed martial artist. He weighed at 66 kilograms. Ladies and gentlemen, the pride of Assam, Punyajit Likharu. And his opponent, fighting out of the red corner, a mixed martial artist. He weighed in at 66.3 kilograms, representing Meghalaya, the Outlaw Boy, Anthony CM!
Oh, exactly. And this is the fight to watch out for, ladies and gentlemen. This is Matrix Fight Night 5. We've got Punyajit Likharu, the pride of Assam, in the blue corner, taking on the Shillong gangster, Anthony CM, in the red corner.
एक तरफ है एक बहुत ही टेक्निकल फाइटर और दूसरी तरफ है एक बहुत ही अग्रेसिव फाइटर जो खुद को गैंगस्टर बोलता है.
Anthony CM starts off with a kick. Manan, this is the bout to watch out for. We've got a technical fighter taking on a brawler.
I love these kinds of fights, Rahul.
See, this is what I was talking about. Anthony will try to make it dirty, charge into Punyajit's fighting range, and then start his gangster work.
बिल्कुल राहुल, इस तरह की फाइट में देखना ये होता है कि क्या अग्रेसिव फाइटर ने टेक्निक सीखी है और क्या टेक्निकल फाइटर ने अग्रेशन सीखा है.
Punyajit uses the body lock to take Anthony down. Punyajit is in a dominant position. Anthony going in for a reversal. Now Punyajit is extremely dangerous in the ground game. He's a jiu-jitsu blue belt. He's trained at Bali MMA. He's been training at Cross Train, which is India's leading MMA club in the country.
बिल्कुल, और यही चीज है जो पुन्याजीत करने की कोशिश करेंगे इस फाइट में. वो फाइट को ग्राउंड पे रखेंगे और फाइट को ग्राउंड पे ही खत्म करने की कोशिश करेंगे.
Manan Punyajit here trying to go on the mount. He's got the mount. Anthony goes on for a reversal. What a reversal, ladies and gentlemen. We've got an excellent fight here for you.
काफी सिचुएशन खतरनाक हो रही थी एंथनी के लिए, लेकिन उसी समय एंथनी गैंगस्टर ने रिवर्सल किया.
Punyajit here trying to go in for a triangle. Oh, he's got the armbar. Oh my goodness, he's got the armbar. Punyajit Likharu's got the armbar and Anthony taps. Ladies and gentlemen, we've got the champion for this bout. Punyajit Likharu taps. The Shillong gangster.
पुन्याजीत लिखारू ने इस फाइट को फिनिश कर दिया है एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत आर्म बार के साथ. क्या परफॉर्मेंस है, और फाइट को खत्म कर दिया उन्होंने पहले ही राउंड के अंदर. केज में घूम रहे हैं, कह रहे हैं रिमेंबर माय नेम.
Well, yes,
he just pointed at me and Rahul and said, I'm the next big thing here.
Of course.
It definitely looks like it.
he is the next big thing, Manan. He's a technical fighter, and we have seen it happening in all his bouts at MFN.
उस रिवर्सल के बाद राहुल, मुझे लगा था कि शायद अब एंथनी के पास मौका है, लेकिन गार्ड से उन्होंने, ये देखिए कितना खूबसूरत आर्मबार लगाया. एंथनी ने कोशिश करी उसको झेलने की, कुछ करने की, बट बहुत देर हो चुकी थी और एंथनी ने टैप कर दिया.
Jai Ahom, you know, Punyajit is the pride of Assam, and hard work actually pays off for him.
Ladies and gentlemen, Ref Dan Isaac called a stop to this contest in 1 minute and 50 seconds of round 1, declaring the winner, submission by an armbar, the pride of Assam. Give it up for Punyajit Likharu.
He didn't look at us. He looked at you.
Ahomya. I'm also half Assamese. लेकिन क्या कमाल का आपने फाइट किया है. पुण्यजीत फैंटास्टिक. सोचा नहीं था. यस, किस तरह आपने आर्म बार किया, लग रहा था तोड़ दोगे हाथ को.
I don't know. For me, fighting is, I don't know how to say, man. I don't know how to express. I love this thing so much, man. And a lot of people fight for a lot of reason. I don't know if this comes out as something wrong for someone, but I fight for myself, man. I want to prove to myself that I'm best at something in this world. And no matter who it is, I'm not gonna call out anyone because this is my second pro fight. But I fight for myself and I want to prove to myself that I'm best at something. So anyone who steps inside the cage, if they want to beat me, they got to kill me, man. I don't know how else I'm gonna lose. That's locked in here, man. That's solid. So I just want to perform. I have a lot of skills. I feel I have the best striking. No disrespect to anyone. There are a lot of good strikers back out there, but I feel I have something to show. And just watch out. I'm going to prove it every fight. I just want to grow. That's it.
You are proving it, buddy. Under 1 minute, fantastic. Punyajit, the winner today.
Ma, Deta, Babu, this is for you. Thank you so much. I love you all. Bubu, I love you.